in Finance here with Mark and James. James is my coach and mentor. He is a business and personal credit specialist, right? So, but one thing we're going to focus on right now is, did you know about business credit? Because there are so many people that are, I think, missing out on a lot of credit and a lot of cash flow opportunities. And so tell us a little bit about business credit. Why is it so important?
Yeah, so if you guys don't already know that there is such a thing as business and corporate credit, it has nothing to do with your social security number. It's not based on your personal credit worthiness, and you can actually get funding and financing for your company, whether it's a brand new company or an existing one, just based off the EIN number. Yeah.
So James has been helping me. First, I met James because I was trying to build my personal credit. So one thing I found out on the personal side is that the higher of a credit rating that we have, you get better interest rates, you get more credit. So that's initially how we started out. And so, and by the way, if you're interested in working on your personal or business credit, please check out the information below in the description of this video. You'll see James's website and his phone number. Just reach out to him. Try to set up an appointment with him. Probably on the phone is how you know.
Yeah, we do consultations over the phone or video.
Yeah, either the phone or video initially. It'll be right there in the description of this video. So how do people? What are some other benefits of business credit, and how's it helping like some of your customers already?
Well, I mean, think about it, guys. If you're a business owner, you know that there's ups and downs, and sometimes having other people's money to use to put through your business can really help sometimes. And these creditors and lenders out there, they want to give businesses money. And getting credit and funding on your business, you get much better interest rates than, let's say, if you're in a bind or a jam and you want to use your personal credit card. Like, we all know those interest rates, 25%. It's really high. So that's just one of the benefits of having business credit.
Yeah, and then I was just talking about with a client the other day too about how it's important because one of the biggest expenses that we have in our lifetime are taxes, right? And so you can take, I feel like, and everybody's different, and to consult your own accountant and all that it's important to have like your personal income and your business income. Like if you're an entrepreneur, most chances, a lot of people now, if you're getting into that, you're going to want to have your credit, your business accounts, and you're going to want to have your personal accounts, right?
Yes.
So what are some examples of like that you've had some clients that you've helped that's used their credit?
Yeah. So I mean, I don't know about you guys, but no one's ever taught me about how credit works, and certainly business credit either. So a lot of entrepreneurs will do everything through our personal bank accounts, using our personal credit, etc., which is fine, but there's more available to us. And so I want to give people this information and this awareness so they can make better choices, leverage better opportunities to grow their business. I mean, there's just something as basic as getting a business bank account can make such a difference, because then you can go to that lender and get a business credit card or a business line of credit based on the business.
So, and that's what I found just in my own personal fitness and finance. And this YouTube channel is just just going to be like a journal of my own journey going through. James and I we're fans of the Rich Dad Poor Dad. And if you ever have you heard of that? He has a great YouTube channel. Consider go checking it out. He has a board game called Cash Flow, and it's really teaches you a lot about money. And we really want to make sure that we're being smart about our cash flow.
That's Robert Kiyosaki.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Thank you, Robert Kiyosaki. Right. He has his own YouTube channel and a board game called Cash Flow. So I have a business checking account with its own EIN number, and that's what we're building credit based just totally on that. And then you have the personal side, right? And so I'm really happy and grateful to keep those separate, because it in the end, it also too helps you. It's helped me, and everybody's different, but minimize taxes because you're spending certain things on business expenses. You're not just paying it out of personal.
Yeah.
And then you can write off, generally write off most of your business expenses. So.
Yeah, I would say if anybody's already in a position to start building their business credit, definitely get some Net 30 accounts set up. That's the easiest. And those are vendors who will give you a line of credit and let you pay by invoice within a 30-day period.
Okay. And everybody knows what a Net 30 account is. So what are some examples of Net 30 vendors?
Typical Net 30 accounts are for, let's say, our office supplies like a Quill or Granger.
We did the CEO.
Yeah, CEO Creative.
Yeah, we did that.
Is
Divvy that, or is that different?
Divvy's a little different.
Yeah. Got a business credit card.
Yeah, Divvy is
another business credit card, right?
Actually, Divvy, I think you do make some small payments, but it's revolving.
Weekly, it's revolving.
It's revolving, yeah. Yeah, so get those Net 30 accounts set up.
Yeah.
Get an EIN number if you don't have one. You can do that on the IRS with the IRS website. It's free, and yeah.
Yeah. So business credit. So yeah, in the beginning, yeah, you're gonna want to definitely have an EIN number. You've kind of helped me just in the basics. Is have your EIN number, your phone number, your website, all that stuff, and try to separate it from your personal, right, the best possible. And then you really. At least the first 6 months, I think you're gonna ideally want somebody that's done it before. So that's what he's really good at. So maybe you hire him for 6 months to just really get that whole next level up, and then I guess you can see where you're at from there. But he has a 6-month plan that's really, really helpful. We're about halfway, 2 or 3 months into it, and things are just both on the personal. Well, they're two separate things, but both are going up, and that's what we want is both to go improve, right?
Yeah, hire a coach for the business credit.
Yeah, you need
that.
Right.
Yeah, you want to minimize the time. Hiring a coach is going to save you all the time and the lost energy. They're going to cut the time you spend making mistakes and energy you would spend in doing that. And just speed up the process for you. So
that's right.
Yeah, I love coaching people through it.
And as a customer, I encourage you if you're considering building your business credit, I encourage you to just consider reaching out to him through the website or the phone number below. Set up the initial phone or video chat and just see what it's all about. Just get your questions answered. And either way is okay. It may or may not be a fit for you. Either way is okay, but it's good to at least make that connection and then at least see what's possible. You want to at least see what's possible, right?
Yeah.
There's so much going on with the economy, with all the different assets of the world going on, and cryptocurrency and real estate and building businesses. You're going to want a strong business credit and personal credit. Like we were saying earlier, cash is king and credit is freedom. I mean, when we have money coming in, you have money in your account, and you have credit available.
Yes.
Woo!
Yes.
That's exciting.
That is exciting. Yes. Good job, man.
Yeah. Any final thoughts on?
Man, I think I would just say, wherever you're at, just take the next step you can take, whether that's reaching out to me or
do what you can where you can.
That's right. Do what you can from where you are with what you have.
Right.
And then the next step will be revealed, and then you take the next step, and the next step is revealed, and it's just one step at a time.
All right, one step at a time.
Yeah.
All right, cash is king and credit is freedom. All right, reach out to him below. We'll see you on the next lesson. We're going to be back with some more content.